Come test drive the 2019 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.